Hello, my name's Liam. I'm here at the London Hair Clinic to get some new hair. I noticed I was starting to thin on top and all around here when I was about 18. I tried hair fibres, just kept getting clumpy when you're hot, so I thought I'd give this a go, so come and follow my journey. It's like you've got no confidence. You like look in the mirror and you can see like your scalp. It's not very nice at all. When you're talking to people, you feel like they're looking at you, like looking at the hair, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's not very nice at all. You look at people and you think, oh, I wish I had their hair. So I'm really looking forward to, once obviously today's done, the hair's done, going back on the dating scene, getting the confidence back up, and just going from there. I like the style they've done, I think it's amazing. It's just shocking. There's no words you can really say. Hair loss affected me big time. It's your confidence. You look in the mirror, you don't really like what you're seeing. You're talking to people and you feel like they're not looking at you, they're judging you, like your hair. Although they're probably not, but you still think they are. Yeah, it's just horrible. You don't want to go out, don't really want to do nothing. Just how you genuinely look. Yeah, so getting my hair back, there's so much more you can do. You can go out, you feel confident to go out. You're going on dates, which you not really felt confident doing previously. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do. A lot of things I'm going to do. So my co-workers, yeah, they're supportive of it. Obviously you get the few jokes that's going to fly off, that sort of thing, but I can tell you now this is not loose at all. They want me to go in tonight so they can see the final look before everyone else sees it on Saturday. So I highly recommend Giuseppe, my barber at the London Hair Clinic. He's amazing, can't fault him, and I'll definitely use him again. One of the best things I ever did was come to the London Hair Clinic to get my hair back.